Platform 1 for the 10:56 Stepford Connect service to Edgemead. Calling at Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Water Newton, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, and Edgemead. This train has 4 coaches.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Edgemead. We will be calling at Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Water Newton, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City and Edgemead. The next station is Benton. We will shortly be arriving at Benton. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Stepford Connect service to Edgemead. Calling at Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Water Newton, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, and Edgemead. This train has 4 coaches.